Today we're doing a big hunk of pork loin. This was an 8-pound roll that came from Costco. I've cut it in half and it should be about 4 pounds now. Looks about 4 pounds. We're going to season it up with pulled pork rub from Pit Boss and then throw it on the smoker and see how it does. We do want to season the presentation side last, so that way the seasoning sticks, and in this case the presentation side will be the fat. Using the Typhus Sink 4-prong. Again, use this just about for everything anymore. Okay, probe is in. Now let's go throw this on the smoker. Now we're going to put the pork on the smoker. I do put foil down under it because I'm tired of cleaning up the mess and having these fires. There. And however it's set is how it will cook. See, it's already dripping, so the foil's a good thing. And we'll let this go. Alright, we are 2 hours in. Let's see how things look. Not bad. I'm gonna put some excuse me, potatoes on too. And we are using Pit Boss competition pellets today. I went through 60 pounds of the starting cup over the holidays and pretty much out. I also did just get some B&B post oak pellets. We'll have to try out in another video. Let's cut this.